Okay, so this is the punch and arm grab move. So typically this is something you might see like if you have like a police character or a riot scene or something like that. This might be a move that would be used here. So your attacker, who is Finn right here, is going to be attacking Lucy, our victim right here, but she is actually going to turn the situation around. So he is going to throw a punch and she is going to catch it. So the punch is going to be just the same as our stage punch before. He's going to pull that punch back. He's going to throw it forward, make sure that thumb is on the outside of the tucked fingers. But she is going to have a flat palm, let the punch connect, and then wrap her fingers around his closed punch. From there, she is going to twist his hand down and around. It is really important you go this direction and not the other direction. I'm going to have you very gently demonstrate the other direction and why you would not do that. Yeah, so did that hurt?
Not really, but it will.
But if I did it with force,
yes,
that's gonna hurt.
Okay, so yeah, unpleasant. All right, so let's go ahead and twist the correct way, please. Good. Okay. And then from there, her hand goes to the flat of his back, just like one of our other moves, so she can control him any which way. Good. All right, nice job.